Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your face in Smith. It's pretty easy. First of all, just open the menu and right here we need to choose the appearance option. So once you do that, just click on the appearance option here. In order to change the face, you need to create the preset first. So click on the plus icon and here you can change the face shape. You can change the eyes. You can also change the nose, lips, and that kind of stuff can be editable from here. Now if you want to completely change the face, for that you need to just hit the back button and here you're gonna see the templates. Like here in the realistic or in the elegant, you're gonna see some feminine presets and you can just apply them and the face will get changed. That's exactly how you can change the face here. I would love to use personally the masculine one. This is the one which I would love to proceed with. Once you choose that, just hit the space bar, or you can say just hit the confirm button. Then you'll allow to make changes on this selected template. Like you can change the face shape to anything you like. You can change the forehead, then side of the forehead. Next to that you can change the eyes, like this one, eyebrows and all. So once you're done with the changes, just hit the space bar or just hit the preview button. Once you are happy with this, just hit complete. In order to save this customization plan, we need to have this one water lady script, and this can be grabbed from here, Django treasure shop. And if you have that, you will easily able to customize this. Or for now you can just save this as a makeup plan. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can change face in Smith. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.